वेलकम एंड जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। आई होप कि आपको ये एसएसबी मॉक इंटरव्यू के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज पसंद आ रही होगी और आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि क्या बेनिफिट रहा इस न्यू इनिशिएटिव का। सो हियर इज द पार्ट 4 ऑफ दैट सेम सीरीज. Check this video out and let me know in the comment box what is your feedback regarding this series.
What's your good name?
My name is Jui Rajendra Dhage.
Okay, Jui. Okay, let me know your participation in sports.
So I'm a national level archery player. I have started playing archery from the age of 9 years and I'm still continuing it. I've played at different Khelo India matches also. I've participated in various national level matches.
Do you have some favorite sports player from where you got motivation for the same?
Sir Limba Ram is a renowned archer. He was the first Indian to have participated in the Olympics. And he belongs to a very rural background and he has started archery from that and he has become a very good.
Then why you are not seeking career in archery only?
So I am passionate
Because I don't remember any armed forces background player, those who contributed well in the same segment.
So there are two players.
Tell me name.
Tarundeep Rai and Praveen Zadav.
Okay.
So they both are practicing in ASI, Army Sports Institute, and they are part of Indian Forces also.
You have to answer one by one only. So now tell me what your friends discuss about you.
I have a close friend group of.
How many friends you have?
Close there are 3. Like considering me, there are 4. They are very close to me. We have spent almost 7 to 8 years together doing archery as well as being in the same school. One thing that what I got to know about from them about me is that I'm a dedicated person in whatever field I choose to go, even if it was archery or in studies as well. So, and one thing more is that whatever I have come across a problem in my life, I've always seen the positive side to work upon it, and not the something that demotivates me. Obviously, there have been some areas where I need to work on, but gradually I'm working on it and making it better.
Any other opinion that they share for you?
So I'm a person who always plans anything. If we four are going somewhere, so I'm the one who takes the in charge of planning sort things.
Okay, very good. Any quality that they don't like in you?
Not specifically. I have not received anything that they have told me about it. So still I have not come across anything that they feel that they don't like.
If you are not selected in this attempt, what is your next plan?
So, after my SSB, I have my boards in front. I'll prepare very enthusiastically for my boards in 1 month. Then I'll re-prepare for my NDA written.
How many attempts you have left?
Sir, I have left with 1 attempt.
That is in April only.
Yes, sir. And if I
are you not preparing now for your written examination for the April month?
Sir, I have been simultaneously preparing for my written preparation as well.
What is target this time?
So this time I have a target of 450 plus.
Can you tell me why this Vijay Diwas was celebrated and what is the importance of this day?
So Vijay Diwas is celebrated to commemorate the India's victory over Bangladesh in the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. On this day, 93,000 soldiers, Pakistani soldiers, surrendered Pakistani soldiers surrendered in the after just 13 days of operation. And this war ultimately led to the creation of a new separate state, which was that is present day Bangladesh, which was earlier East Pakistan. And this day is celebrated. This surrender is considered as one of the largest mass surrenders of the history. And this day is celebrated to commemorate India's not only great but also so big achievement over the Pakistan military.
Okay, very good. So you were appointed as a vice head girl.
Yes, sir.
And also vice house captain.
Yes, sir.
All the time vice head girl and vice house captain. Why not as a main house captain and head girl?
Sir, I definitely gave my interview for being the head girl. but like there were people whom they find more suitable. But I gave my best for the interview, and ultimately I turned out to be the vice head girl. But in that post as well, I performed very with all my enthusiasm. I did pretty good.
Can you tell me name of 3 transports, 3 helicopters and 3 fighters?
Sir, 3 transport would include sir, the C-17 Globemaster, IL-76 and sir IL-78. Sir.
C-17 Globemaster. Tell me something about it.
Sir, it is a US Boeing made C-17 Globemaster, and which is a transport aircraft used to transport goods, and in sometimes it is also used for transportation in natural calamities as well.
Oh, all right.
Yes, sir. And sir, about the helicopters, the 3 helicopters would be Boeing CH-47 or Chinook, and sir, Boeing Apache and HAL Rudra, sir. And the fighter aircraft would include Dassault Rafale, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, and sir, MiG-29. Sir.
What is MKI?
Sir, manufactured and commercialized for India.
Okay. So why commercialized spelling will start from C?
So it is Russian version of commercialized. In Russia, it is used K instead of C. Sir.
Okay, very good. So Mrityunjay, what is meaning of your name?
So Mrityunjay means the person which wins over death. Sir.
Okay, very good. So you are from Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the how is law and order in Lucknow, and how is tourism in Lucknow? The scope of tourism. Have you observed certain changes in last 2-3 years, or it is the same?
So about law and order, the law and order is in Lucknow is good, but and it has also focused on women safety as well. That like installation of pink booths in Lucknow have played a great role in security of women, and the 10-90 also very much famous for security of women, and it has not been seen a lot of crimes being done in Lucknow, and the number of crime cases has also been decreased in Lucknow since.
Any other changes that you have observed in the maintaining strict law and order?
So in maintenance of strict law and order, sir, anti-Romeo squad was also made.
That is very old news you are telling me. Tell me recent updates.
I am not able to recall those things. Sir. And about sir tourism, the tourism sector of Lucknow is mainly dependent on the sir Bada Imambada, Chota Imambada, Rumi Darwaza and Clock Tower. It also consists of the sir Nawab Wahid Ali Shah Zoo and the Janeshwar Mist Park, which is the Asia's biggest park.
So your father is still serving.
Yes, sir.
What is the rank of your father?
Sir, Nayak.
Okay, he's serving in AMC, right?
Yes, sir.
So what 5 qualities you have learned from your father? Tell me.
Sir, honesty. Sir, he's hard worker. And sir,
Honesty. Second is
sir, hard worker.
hard working. He's hard working.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So third thing is trustworthy.
Trustworthy.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And so fourth thing is true to everyone. It is whether it is related to his job or other with the family also.
That already you shared that he's honest.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the fourth one.
Sir, he's cooperative.
He's cooperative.
Yes, sir. And so fifth thing which I have learned from him is the cooking. So he's a good cook.
Okay, he's a
Yes.
good cook.
Yes, sir.
So, if you are selected in this attempt, what 5 changes you are going to make in you before joining NDA?
Sir, I will make myself more physically strong.
Hmm.
So to increase my stamina, nowadays I have started running. But after this, I will have a lot of time. So I will give time to increase my stamina.
Hmm.
So second thing, I will learn more languages.
Hmm.
So I am very interested in learning more languages. So I will.
How many languages you have learned till now?
So till now I know only Hindi, English.
Then you said that you are interested
Sir, I know little about Marathi and little Bihari. Apart from that, I don't know, sir.
Tell me other changes that you will be making before joining India.
Sir, I will improve my reading habits.
How many you have explained now?
Sir, 3.
First one is
So first one was, sir, I will increase my stamina.
stamina. Second one?
So learn more languages.
Third one?
Sir, I will improve my reading habits.
Reading habit.
Yes.
Fourth one?
So fourth one, sir, I will improve my communication skills.
And fifth one?
Sir, I will improve my journal awareness.
Tell me 3 more.
Sir, I will improve my muscular strength. As I said, for there you need strength, muscular strength also. Sir, I will improve my English speaking skills also.
Already you told communication skills.
Yes, sir.
Tell me two more.
Sir, I will improve my handwritings.
Handwriting.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one more.
Sir, and I will.
Why you will improve handwriting?
Sir, I am little. I feel that my handwriting is little.
I think your handwriting is very good. You need not to improve your handwriting. Tell me two more qualities that you will improve before joining NDA. Then only I will recommend you.
Sir, I will improve my game. Sir, as my favorite game is football. But nowadays I am not giving time to football, so I will improve my football. As in NDA there is football also, so I want to take my football there also.
Okay, one more.
Sir, I want to learn swimming. As swimming is compulsory, so I want to learn swimming before going.
Why you haven't learned till now?
So till now there was not swimming in our school area or in the Kent area, so I haven't.
NDA Foundation Day recently was celebrated. Can you tell me name and day?
So 7th December, it was formed on 7th December 1954.